In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to generate statements of account on Fairmoney app. All you just need to do, just log into your Fairmoney app on your Google Play, on your Android device or on your iPhone. Then the next thing you're going to do, just click on the icon on the top left beside welcome to Fairmoney. So once you click on that, you're going to see a page just like this. So the next thing you're going to do is just click on generate statement. So once you click on that, then you click on Fairmoney bank account. So click on that, then you can select the account you want to generate, then the date, the end time. So once you select the date, let's say 10 to 02 2023, for example. Start date cannot be more than a year. Okay, 2024. Then end date to 20/03/2024. So you can see right there. So you can see the download statement doesn't show up before, but after I input all the date correctly, then it shows download statement. So that's how you can click on download statement and then it will be downloaded to your mobile phone, or they can actually send it to your email that you connected to your Fairmoney account.